Hey friends, let's do Caught Between the Tigers guitar lesson by T&T. And with this song we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a half step or a semitone. Now I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just going to start with a mute, and then all on the A string, 5, 7, and we're palm muting. Open A, 4, 5, open A, 2, 3, open A, 1, 2, and then E, 3, open. Then we just start from the 5, leave out the mute on the A, 5, 7, O, 4, 5, and then we got this little run here, G string, open, 2, 4, pull off the 2, pull off to the open, all legato. Do the same on the D. On the A, go open, 2, 3, back to 2, open, and then 3 on the E. Then we're just going back to the first riff again, just leave out the mute at the start. Do the start the same again, 5, 7, O, 4, 5, here go O, 2, 4, E string on the 3rd fret, and again, go back to the first riff again, and then we're not palm muting here, A, 5, 7, O, 4, 5, O, 2, 4, 3rd fret on the E, do a slide, 3rd fret on the E, and that's our intro there. So for our verse we're just playing an A power chord 2 times, then do it again, then repeat that again. Then we do it again but hold the last A a little bit longer. Do that again. And then we're just playing the A power chord 2 times, D power chord 2 times, G power chord 2 times, and then play the open A, palm muted, 3rd fret, pull off the 2nd fret, pull off to the open, with a palm mute, 3rd fret on the E, back to 2nd fret on the A. And that's our verse there. So coming from the 2nd fret from the verse, we're playing it another time, so, and then play 4 on the G5 on the B 2 times. Go back to 2nd fret A 2 times, palm muted, and then play 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B once, back to 2 palm mutes again on 2nd fret A, again 2 and 3, and then play A 2, 4. Play the 4 again, and then this time play 6 on the G, 7 on the B 2 times. 2 palm mutes on the 4A, and then play 4G, 5B, 2 palm mutes on the 4A, and play 6 D and G, and then play A, 4, 2, do the first one again, 2, 4, play the 4 and the 6 on the G7 on the B 2 times, do a slide, and then A2, E2, 3, and that's our pre-chorus there. So our chorus, we play 4E, jump to the A, 2, then do 2, slide up to 4, play 4 again. Then play 2 and then 4 with a pinched harmonic. Then E, 2, 4, 3rd fret on the A with a pinched harmonic, and we're going to bend here. E, 4, 6, then just play 6, D and G. Play it again and slide up to 11. Then we're playing A 2 times palm mute, hammer onto 4, 2 hammer onto 4, 4 palm mute, 4 pull off to 2, and then 2. Then do the start again, 4, 2, 2 slide to 4, 4, 2, pinched harmonic on the 4, 2, 4, pinched harmonic on the 3rd fret, E, 4, 6, and then just finish it on a C sharp power chord. And that's our chorus C. So we have our little post chorus, it's the same as our intro. So 5, 7, 0, 4, 5, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0. Back to the A, 5, 7, 0, 4, 5, 0, 2, 4, E, 3, 3. And that's our little post chorus C. So this verse changes a little bit. We do the A power chords again, 2 and another 2. Do that again. Then again. Then the last one we use our bar to come in. Do it again on the A power chord and again. This time we're just playing the open A string, 5th fret A string, 3rd fret on the E string, and jump to 2nd fret on the D string. Then we're just doing our riff again from the intro. Go back to A, 5, 7, 2 mutes. A power chord 2 times, mute, A. Play the 3rd fret on the E, come in with your bar. Play the open A, jump to G, play 2nd fret and then open. Hammer onto 2, pull off the open. 2nd fret on the D, open A. Do that again, 2nd fret, open 2, open, 1st fret on the B. And then just A, open 2. So that last little part there. And that's our verse there. So then we have our pre-chorus, and the only change here is the end. We're going to play A, open 1, 2, E, open 1, 2, 3. That's the only difference there. And then we have our chorus, and that's exactly the same. So we're starting on the A string, 4, 3, 3 slide up to 8. Then we're just going to an F power chord. We're going to palm mute 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're just going to do a little skip there. So 3 there. Then do another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're palm muting the open A 2 times. And then we're playing 2nd fret on the D, 2nd G, 3rd on the B and the E 2 times. 2 palm mutes on the A, 2nd fret D and G, 2 palm mutes on the A, 2nd fret A, 5th fret on the D and the G, and we do that 2 times. Then just play 3rd fret on the D, 1st fret on the E. Then we've got a similar riff to our pre-chorus, 2 on the A, 4 G 5 B, 2 on the A, 3 on the B, 2 on the G, go to 2 on the D and the G, play open A, second fret A, and then repeat that again. And then we're just playing A, 2, 4, then play 4 on the A again, 6 G, 7 on the B 2 times. Back to 4 on the A 2 times, 4 and 5, G and B. Back to 6 on the D and the G. Play A, 2, 4, play the 4 again, and then play 6 on the G, 7 on the B 2 times. Slide, and this is all on the 4th fret on the A string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just do another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our 2, E, 2, 3. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll have a look at our solo at the end. So then we have our last chorus. We play it the same as the first chorus, except when we end on the 3rd fret, and then we repeat it again. So 4, 2. So all the same again. Here it changes a little bit here. We've got the same start, but end on the 4th fret on the E. Then repeat again. Go 4, and then slide up to 12 on the B, and 13 G. Do a slide, and then just repeat the chorus again to the end. And there are all the rhythm parts. Let's have a look at our solo. So we're going to start with the pinched harmonic on the 3rd fret on the D string and do a bend. Then we're tremolo picking on the G string and slide up to the 17th fret. Do that 2 times, and then we've got this little run down. We're going to play G 13, 12, 10 on the D, 13, 11, 10, A 13, 11, 10, E string 13, 11, 9. Jump back to the D, 11, 10, 8, A, 11, 10, 8. On the E, 11, 9, 8, slide back to 5 there. Then we're jumping up to the E string, bend 20th fret. Play 20, 19, 17, bend 20 on the B. Play 17 E, bend 20 on the B again. And then E 22 times, 17, B 20, 17, back to 22 times, 17, to the G 19, 17, 19. Play the open A, 2, 3, 5, slide up to 7, D 5, 7, G 5, 7, slide up to 9, B 8, 10, bend on 10, then do a pinched harmonic on the 5th fret on the A string. Then we're doing this little run up, and we're just going to do hammer-ons and pull-offs the whole way. So A string, 5, pull off to 4, hammer on to 5, and you can pick the whole thing as well. 7, 5, 7, 9, 7, 9. Then the D string, 5, 4, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 7, 9. To the G string, 6, 4, 6, 7, 6, 7, 9, 7, 9, 11, 9, 11. The B string, 8, 7, 8, 10, 8, 10, 12, 10, 12. To the E string, 9, 7, 9, 11, 9, 11. Then do 12, 11, 12, 14, 12, 14, 16, 14, 16, 17, 16, 17, and then do a bend on 19. Play 19, pull off to 16, 19B, 16 on the E, Then we have this little run, E, 16, 17, 19, 17, 16, 19 on the B, back to E, 16, B, 17, 19, 16, 17, 16 and 18 on the G. And that's a solo there, and that's all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Caught Between the Tigers Guitar Lesson by TNT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam rock and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.